Hello everyone, my name is Chika Aniche. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video I'll be showing you guys a game called Justplay. So Justplay is a game that you can play. While doing so, you earn commission. For those of us who likes playing game during our spare time, so here's the opportunity to earn something from the side, from the comfort of your home with just your phone. So going properly into this video, I would like you guys to please like and hit the subscription button so the video can be recommended to other people on YouTube who has not seen the video.
Getting the Justplay app, you will go to your app store for the Apple users. Then for the Android users, you will go to your Play Store. Just search for Justplay. It's here. I already have the game already. So this one is it. Justplay in loyalty reward. Justplay in loyalty rewards. So I'll just open. Then I already have a game that I'm playing. I'm already playing this gimme car games. Yeah, but you can also pick from other options as well. But I chose to play this. The games are easy. Gimme car games. That's so easy. So watch this. You will just play. The more you play, the more points you get, and the more money you get as well. Very easy game. Very easy game. So if you have been playing games for free, don't play games for free anymore. Play to earn. Yeah, so these are adverts. The adverts, you have to be patient to what or see them. Then after the adverts, you go back to the game. If you check, it will my points increase. So the more loyalty points you get, the more. Okay, so when you get the points, then the points will generate the money for you that you earn. Okay, 358,000 points. That's the goal. So when you get to this goal, then your money is going to increase. So this is the money I have already, 53 cents. To be able to cash out this money, I have to. So the minimum is $2. Okay. So for those of you that will be downloading this game, you have to create a PayPal account. You need a PayPal account to be able to transfer your money to your actual bank account. So if you see, just remember my points is 7,1140. So just see, the more I play, the more points I get. So if I get to that goal, then I'll be able to receive my money. You'll be able to receive your money. So just play. You can do this. You can play this game a lot during your spare time. During your spare time. Yeah, so during your spare time, you can come to the game and play. See, I just received more points. So let me go to my PayPal. And show you the money I received. So you see, congratulations, you just received your reward from Justplay. You see, then from my PayPal, I'll be able to transfer it to um my actual bank account. So just take your time. You need to put effort in it. If you put effort in the game, you'll be able to earn more. Unfortunately, the game is not available in Nigeria. So the people that might be checking in from Nigeria, the game is not available for people in Africa. So quite unfortunate. I hope this video was helpful, and you guys should download the game and let me know how successful it was. Thank you.